It's a rainy day in southern Indiana. See my driveway out there wet? I got this quilt loaded this morning with some difficulty. I have had trigger finger surgery last Thursday. And I'll get stitches out next Tuesday and be right back at it. In the meantime, things are piling up. I've got quite a few things. I use this rack for the shorter things and the other ones for the longer things. Had both my machines tuned up this last week. That put a hole in my pocketbook. But I like pretty stitches, and I like to keep these machines in tip-top shape. And maintenance is important. This machine, he told me I really wouldn't need it for 10 more years. That everything has been maintained. That needs to be maintained. All the belts are changed. All the tensions checked. Brand new wiring harness. The power supply has been gone through completely. And the stitches, he watched on both machines. He showed me front and back on the stitching, and the stitch definition is as perfect as it can be gotten. The only thing that might go down will be the computer, which is easy to replace on both of them. Sometimes they last 20 years, sometimes 8 to 10 years. But we're ready for that. I'm getting ready to get some new backings in. Just about got very little space, but there were some new ones that came out of there really pretty that I had to get. I like that grains of color that Marshall Dry Goods has, and they also have a new one called Birthday Cake. It is gorgeous. I got 2 different colors of it. But this is the first one up. It's going to have a flannel back. I had to piece the back. I did the best I could to try to match up. It was a difficult back. And I did a vertical piecing on this one, which is very rare for me to do. You can see right there, but I did try to match up the side